Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to unblock your websites in Chrome in a laptop. So if you're using any web browser, let's just say you want to use Chrome, so all you need to do is simply head over to a site called NordVPN and download your VPN from there. You can use the link in the description below, so head over to that. You can see we have this download NordVPN option. You can easily access this. Then let's just say you have this site and you cannot access it, right? Simply open NordVPN on your laptop, or what you can do is, what is the fastest way, is simply use this VPN extension, which I really like, and from here choose the destination or region where the blocked website is no longer an issue. So you can see over here, let me show you the extension, how it actually looks. So over here you can see the extension, and once you simply choose your location, you will be able to unlock any type of crypto site or whatsoever that you're looking for. So you can see this is the site where we can easily download our NordVPN from, and once it's done you can use the link in the description for better rewards and packages, and you will get your offer. So I hope this helps. That's how you can unblock blocked websites in Chrome in a laptop. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.